Hey guys, what's happening? How to use Kraken Exchange. So first of all, make sure to sign up and verify your identification, right? So you can trade more freely. And now what you're gonna do, hit the portfolio at the bottom right here, okay? And then make sure to hit deposit, okay? After you hit deposit, you're gonna select the crypto or fiat, right? If you are using cash, choose the US dollar or Canadian dollar or Australian dollar and use your bank or other listed methods in order to deposit cash into your Kraken. But for crypto, you could just go ahead, let's say Ethereum, and then select the network, hit I understand, and then copy the address so you can add the funds to your internal wallet from an external wallet. Okay, now after you added funds to your account, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and buy and sell crypto. Okay, you could go ahead right here to the trading at the bottom, or you can hit right here the chart at the bottom middle, so you can see it right away from here. Okay, and now what I'm gonna do, choose simple, intermediate, or advanced. Okay, so it depends really on the market and how well you studied. So you need to select that. If you want to choose a pair other than Bitcoin and USD, you can see right here the options, or you can hit spot and margin and see the other cryptos with their leverage, or search for the trading pair at the top right here, BTC, USD, or Ripples with something else, right? And let's say I want to stay on Bitcoin. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna buy or sell, right? This is not a financial advice, so please be aware. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the trading type, right? You can select iceberg, trading stop limit, take profit, stop loss limit, and also you can select if your trade was spot or margin. Okay, and enter the amount in USD. Okay, or in Bitcoin if you understand the language of crypto. Let's say I want to add $10. And of course, for caution, right? If you want to stop the bleeding, you're gonna enter the TP and SL, right? This is very important for every trader. They already know that because you're playing it smart. If you if you lost at the trade, you will lose less if you haven't set a stop loss, or stop loss for either buying or selling the trading pair. Okay, into the amount that you want to take profit. Let's say you want to take profit at 15%, and if you lost, let's say you want to lose 2%. Okay, so you need to keep it safe in order to not lose all of your trading cash, right, or trading leverage. So after you did all that and took profit out of the market, what you're gonna do, you're gonna withdraw, right? Go and hit the portfolio at the bottom right here, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna hit withdraw. Okay, select the coin or fiat that you want to withdraw. Okay, let's say I want to withdraw Ethereum because I got some profit out of it. So I'm gonna hit add withdrawal address. Of course, select the network, right? And then enter the address, right? The new address, and then you're gonna be able to confirm that this is the right address for the external wallet. And of course, make sure to enable the 2FA or two-factor authentication, and make sure to set up also a master key in global settings lock for max security. And you can do that in your trading wallet app, like in the Kraken app, wallet app. Okay, so basically that's it. You can also select track and manage. You can check history for trades if you click right here at the top of the portfolio value. You can see right here the history. You can see all of your history trades in the Kraken app. Okay, so you can use Kraken Pro in mobile or desktop for advanced charting and trading tools, or the Kraken wallet if you want to know exactly your trading history. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the